It's Tuesday. I just posted our first video back. A little nervous about it. This is gonna be fun to look back on when Finley's older, just like it is fun to look back on our other videos. Waiting to hear back from the vet about what we can give the dog and the cat. But yeah, I'm basically just having a cleaning day, and then I bought some new blinds. I'm gonna install those because Fitz destroyed our other blinds the other day. Love that for us. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty boring day, but I'll take you guys along anyway. Let's go. So if you guys want a tour of our house, you let me know. It's pretty cool. It's an old Florida house. I found my style in this house, which is really cool. I used to think it was like ultra modern, like everything white. It's not that. It is like mid-century modern coastal, which is not a thing, but I'm making it a thing. So it's a fucking tip right now. If you guys want a tour, you just let me know and I'll make that one, I don't know, like a mini vlog or a short or something. So let's get to the laundry. I gotta strip this bed. I'm really just talking to you guys so I don't have to do that. Stop distracting me. So I was about to start stripping this bed and then my stomach growled. So I was like, listen to your body and go get some food. I don't even know what time it is. Probably like 11. And I need to eat something. What do you ask? I don't know. But let's go raid the fridge. All right, what do we got here? Old beef stew, taco casserole that I made yesterday. An old gnarly avocado. I might just make some peanut butter on bread. Yeah, we still use a top sheet wet. Luckily for me, I had these clean sheets in the dryer. And yes, these will be wrinkly as hell. But I don't give a shit because no one sees our bed except us. Putting on a fitted sheet sucks wherever you are, but in a bus, it sucks way more. I can actually walk around the bed in this house, so 10 out of 10. I suppose I gotta fold this now. I've done 2 loads of laundry, I think. Now I'm gonna try and tackle these blinds, and then I bought these drawer organizers for Finley's drawers because her clothes are a disaster in her drawer because she like pulls them out and puts them back in, and this probably won't solve it, but it'll make me feel better about it. I think I'm gonna do the blinds first. I think I need a drill or a screwdriver. We'll see. I have no idea if you guys are positioned correctly. These are super freaking simple to use. They just pull down like an accordion, but they have a sticky tape on top. So you just peel the sticky tape and freaking install it. Am I gonna measure to see if this is in the middle? No, I am not. I'm gonna eyeball it. Oh my god. So nice. Now I can walk down the stairs naked and no one will see me. Slight problem, the screws that were used for the other blinds have been drilled in, and all I have is this stupid little screwdriver because Wes takes the drills with him to work, so I think I'm gonna have to wait to do those ones until he gets back with his drills. I hate that. I hate not being able to finish a project. But I just did one and I'm literally sweating because it was screwed in so tight. This is Finley's drawer situation. So I don't even know like how this is organized at this point in time, but it is just a disaster. So I bought these, I bought these to organize it. So I'm gonna do that right now. I kind of fell off today. I went to do Finley's room and I actually got it done, but afterwards I was like wiped out and I started to feel a little bit like I'm getting sick. My throat is starting to hurt. It doesn't hurt, just, you know, when you like can't stop swallowing, you have like an itch you can't scratch. And I was like, maybe I just went to bed really late last night. I was like, maybe I'm just tired and like under the weather. Well, Wes got home and I said, I'm not feeling too good. And he goes, yeah, my throat feels weird. And I was like, oh shit. I just went to pick up Longhorn and because I'm not cooking tonight, screw that. And Wes's mom bought us a $50 Longhorn gift card for our anniversary. So I was like, oh, we'll just get Longhorn. So now I'm gonna go home, eat that, and then I'm counting down the minutes to bedtime, honestly. some days just be like that, you know? This is one of those days. I don't know what time it is right now, but I hope it's close to bedtime. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Oh, one more thing. I did get the blinds up. Wes came home, so he had his drills, and I was like, I cannot go to sleep tonight without doing those blinds. So I did the blinds. Great success. Okay, now I'll really see you tomorrow. Bye. Happy Wednesday, you guys. Good news, I did wake up with a bit of a sore throat. I feel great today. Wes said his throat's feeling better too, so please tell me I'm not getting sick. We're going to the beach today. Before I can do anything, I have got to take care of this mess because this is driving me batty. So, first order of business, more folding and putting away clothes. Story of my life. We are all ready to go to the beach. Finley, what are you reading?
Something about sharks.
About sharks? We're gonna go to a little beach that we have dubbed our secret beach because no one's ever there and it's always so pretty. And what kind of creatures do we find there, Finn?
Jellyfish that are named Jelly, and Piney that is a sea urchin.
That's right. Hopefully they're there and we can say hi to them today, huh?
Yep, and touch them.
And do what?
Touch them.
Touch them, yep. All right, let's go. Finn found a couple of sea urchins, so she's playing with those back there. Those things are so freaking fascinating to look at. I think after this we're gonna go get some ice cream because that's an after the beach tradition. And the ice cream store that we go to has sugar-free coffee and it's the bomb, but it does give me the farts. So, but it's a small price to pay, you know, even though the whole family pays for it. And tomorrow I'm gonna take Finn stand-up paddleboarding through the mangrove trails here, which is another awesome free activity that we can do here. And then I think on Friday we might go to the zoo. What are you doing right now, Finn? Yeah, they're here every time we come, huh? Yeah, normally we just find one. That was really hard. Get a cone.
Yeah.
Look at this service. Thank you so much. Is that yummy? Cheers. Just went to the chiropractor. We got home from the beach and just kind of chilled out. It was only for like 45 minutes. Wes had to come pick Finley up at the chiropractor because I have to go to work last minute. It's really not work when it's fun, you know. But then I bought my running shoes and I'm gonna go for a run after over the Ringling Bridge, which is this big bridge. It's like 2.5 miles, I think, there and back. Whew. All right, I'm at the bridge ready to run. Just got done with my shoe. I'm still covered in sand. I gotta brush that off. I hope I feel like running down. So what I usually do is walk up the bridge, then run down, and then walk up the other side and then run down. I don't know how I feel today, but I never know until I'm up there and then I'm like, do it. Let's just go. Ah! Upside down, I'm gonna go. Holy balls, it's hot out there. My elbows are sweating. I ended up running my normal thing, like have to literally drag myself to do this and be like, you're gonna do it, you're gonna do it, you're gonna do it. And then as soon as I'm done, I'm like, I'm amazing, I feel amazing. Oh, and now I have sunscreen in my eye. Great. I'm excited to go home and eat the crock pot meal I made earlier. Hopefully it's good because it's a new recipe. Oh man. All right, let's go home. Good morning. We are on our way to go pick up Wes's dad's truck so that we can go to my dad's house and pick up the paddleboard because it won't fit in my car. Are you excited, Finley? Okay, so we're gonna go do that. I already packed up lunch, life vests, and a dry bag. And I also got my underwater casing for my phone, so we're gonna get some sick underwater shots. Hey, look at this. First stop down, we have a truck. Now we have to go to my parents' house. We're going to my parents' house to pick up, he left the kayak and a stand-up paddleboard, so we can decide when we get there which one we're gonna do. Finley thinks she wants to do kayak, but we'll see. It depends. What does it depend on? Oh, it's the color of it? Okay, well, we'll have to see when we get there, won't we? This is one of those places that you can try and get footage of, but it will never do it justice. You have to come see it in person. We just stopped here. I think we're gonna eat lunch here on this beach, but it's so pretty out, guys. Finley is hunting for starfish. Hopefully this phone case doesn't make the sound crappy, but we've stopped off to take a little break. Finley just dived down and found a lightning bolt. We've got this. So cool. We've got this whole place to ourselves. That's where we're gonna love you and leave you this week, guys. If you like this style of video where I kind of just like bring you on our days in a normal life with a few adventures, let me know in the comments. If there's something you want to see, let me know. Tomorrow is going to be zoo day, so we're going to go to the zoo, and we're going to be releasing videos every Tuesday and Friday. Hope you guys have a great weekend. See you on Tuesday.